Everyone, I got a Triton II sand filter that is, well, this gasket has just really deteriorated, and we're having water leak out of here, so we're going to stop that right now. So I have a couple tools. Well, I have one tool right here. This is, you should have one of these. It comes on just like this, where we can unscrew this piece. I have my replacement gasket, and then the first step we really want to do is we want to open this up here, kind of let some air into the system. That way it'll push a little bit of the water out. And then we'll go ahead and unscrew that. First step, and I've already started, is we're just going to take this and we're going to unscrew it. Alright, so we're going to clean this off as good as possible, and then you can see that ring is right here and it's kind of gross and deteriorating, so we're just going to pull that out and put the new one in. Alright, so my camera stand just fell over and broke, so I can't really set it up and show you this step too well, but I have all this cleaned out. I have our new gasket here, and this is a recommended, just to add some silicone grease around this new O-ring. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to put it on my fingers, rub it around, throw it on here, and then we'll go ahead and reinstall it. So let me do that, come right back. So it's as simple as just screwing this back on, sorry for the wind, and just tighten this thing up real tight again. Alright, it's pretty snug right there, so we're just going to leave it there. But yeah, hope this video helps y'all out. Do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.